I ordered this Android TV box from AliExpress. The special thing is I want to know what is the Air mouse and how to work it. Let's check all in this video, and do not forget to like and subscribe. Stay with SetNFix. When I open the box, I can see directly the Android TV box. It is like a circle. The design is uncommon and attractive. You see closely, you can find the connection ports. There are USB 3.0 port and USB 2.0 port as well. Next to the USB 2.0 port, you can see the network port, which is known as RJ45 connection port. The HDMI output T-connect with TV or the monitor, and there is an AV output as well. And then SPDIF port and DC power connector also located. Finally, you can see the TF cart port. Now shall we see what are the insides? This is the power adapter of 5 volt to give the power to the Android TV box. Then you can see the HDMI cable. We use it to connect this device with TV. And this is the remote controller, and I want to mention this special remote controller, which is Air mouse remote. One side it has a keyboard and the other side control buttons. There are 5 programmable buttons. I will show how to program those buttons later. And also you can use this as a mouse. You will see it also later. And finally, user manual. As I usually says, you must read and understand the user manual and instructions clearly before using a device. So read the instructions in the user manual. This Android TV box is powered by RK3528 processor and 32 GB ROM and 4 GB RAM. However, if you want, you can purchase 65 GB ROM as well. This TV box is with Android 13 and you can watch 8K videos as well. If you are watching movies, you can watch 3D movies as well. As I said before, this device is with Air mouse, therefore you have to connect this dongle. You have given 2 remote controllers. Those are working with 3A batteries. This Air mouse remote has more functions. You can use this as a mouse and also a keyboard. Additionally, all the other functions are available with this remote controller. Therefore, it is built the buttons on both sides. Next special thing is, this Air mouse remote is possible to program. There are 5 buttons. One is the power button and the 4 buttons with 4 colors. I will show how to program those later. This remote controller is given normally with the Android TV box. You do not have facility to use Air mouse or keyboard. Air mouse remote is to be purchased under separate options. However, if you want a mouse and keyboard, you can connect external mouse or keyboard. I will explain how to program the remote controller. Step 1. Make sure the TV remote supports NEC protocol, batteries are installed correctly and red LED indicator is flashing while pressing any button. Step 2. Point the head of Air mouse remote and TV remote to each other, and make sure the distance between them is less than 0.1 feet. Step 3. Press and hold the TV button on the Air mouse remote for 3 to 5 seconds, red LED indicator will flash very fast, then release the TV button. Red LED indicator will become to flash slowly, which means Air mouse remote enter into IR learning mode. Step 4. Press the power button on the TV remote until red LED indicator on the Air mouse remote keeps lighting on. Step 5. Press power or one of other 4 color buttons on the Air mouse remote. Red LED indicator will be flashing slowly again, which means leaning succeed. Step 6. Press TV button on the Air mouse remote to exit IR learning mode. Now you can use the same remote controller as your TV remote controller. Before using the device, do not forget to remove the protective stickers on the Android TV box. Now you can connect the TV box with your TV through the HDMI cable and give the power to the TV box using the given 5-volt power adapter. Once the power is connected, you can see that the device is booting. It will take a few seconds to boot. You will see the clock on the TV box. You can adjust the time from the settings. I will show how to do it during the video. When the device boots first time, you have to configure these settings. First, select the required language with language settings. Set the screen by zoom in and zoom out. You need to establish a Wi-Fi connection. Give your Wi-Fi password and connect with the internet. You need the internet to configure the settings. You noticed clearly, you can see how the Air mouse is working. You can move the Air mouse remote to move the cursor. App is already installed. I access to the YouTube to check the app. By click on this plus mark, you can add apps to the home screen. You can play any audio or video format using this TV box. I downloaded a game from Play Store. See the performance. While you are watching the gaming performance, I will explain why you need an Android TV box. In the rapidly evolving landscape of home entertainment, Android TV boxes have emerged as versatile devices capable of revolutionizing the way we consume content. These compact and feature-rich boxes serve as a bridge between traditional television sets and the dynamic world of digital streaming, offering users a plethora of benefits that extend beyond conventional television experiences. One of the primary reasons individuals opt for an Android TV box is the seamless access to a myriad of streaming services. The likes of Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and more become readily available, transforming the television into a hub for an extensive library of movies, TV shows, documentaries, and exclusive content. The convenience of having multiple streaming platforms accessible from a single device underscores the practicality of integrating an Android TV box into one's entertainment setup. Furthermore, the Android TV box opens the door to a universe of apps through the Google Play Store. This expansive ecosystem caters to various interests, allowing users to customize their viewing experience with gaming apps, music streaming services, news updates, and much more. The versatility provided by these applications enhances the functionality of the TV box, turning it into a multifaceted entertainment center. For those with older television models lacking smart features, an Android TV box serves as a transformative solution. By connecting this device, users can transform their conventional TVs into smart TVs with internet access, app compatibility, and modern functionalities. This revitalization of aging hardware demonstrates the cost-effective nature of Android TV boxes as an alternative to purchasing an entirely new smart television. The media playback capabilities of Android TV boxes contribute to their appeal. Supporting a wide range of file formats, these devices empower users to enjoy locally stored content on the big screen, fostering a seamless integration of personal media libraries into the television viewing experience. In addition to entertainment, Android TV boxes offer a degree of customization unparalleled in traditional television setups. Users can personalize the interface, arrange apps, and tweak settings to align with their preferences. This level of control over the user interface ensures a tailored and user-friendly experience, catering to the diverse needs of individuals and households. Gaming enthusiasts also find Android TV boxes to be a gateway to casual gaming experiences. Whether through gaming apps on the Play Store or by connecting external controllers for a more immersive experience, these devices bring an additional layer of entertainment to the living room. The ability to mirror and cast content from other devices onto the TV screen adds another dimension to the Android TV box's functionality. This feature facilitates the seamless sharing of content from smartphones, tablets, or computers, fostering a collaborative and interconnected media environment. Moreover, the compact size and portability of Android TV boxes make them a practical solution for households with multiple TVs in different rooms. This is the settings of the Android TV box. You can change the resolution according to your device. I will show all the settings in this TV box. In the dynamic world of home entertainment, the Android TV box stands as a versatile device, offering a transformative experience through its extensive settings. From the foundational network settings facilitating internet connectivity to the visual prowess unlocked by display settings, users embark on a journey of customization. Sound settings orchestrate an auditory symphony, while device preferences establish the device's identity within the user's digital space. The Apps Enclave manages the lifeblood of the device, ensuring security through the Security and Restrictions Fortress. Storage settings delve into memory management, and system settings offer a comprehensive view of the device's health. Accessibility settings champion inclusivity, and remote and accessories expand connectivity options. The Developer Options realm caters to enthusiasts and developers, fostering exploration and development. In essence, the Android TV box settings empower users to sculpt their digital experience. Whether fine-tuning display preferences, orchestrating audio landscapes, fortifying security, or delving into advanced developer options, the settings represent a symphony of possibilities. This device, with its user-centric design, invites individuals to conduct their unique digital journey in the ever-expanding universe of home entertainment. In order to check the device performance, I downloaded CPU-Z app Check the Detail. According to my experience, I can recommend this Android TV box for home use. But, if you purchase, do not go for low RAM devices. Purchase a device with at least 4 GB RAM. And it will be more useful to purchase Air Mouse remote as well. I hope you have taken idea about this Android TV box. Do not forget to put your experience about your TV box. To watch more video, keep us subscribed and stay innovative, stay with SetNFix.